Welcome, guys. Welcome to day 19 of the 21 days choose fasting. Um, yes, it's almost done. Um, so let's dive right into it. So today, what did I have? Today I had the same juice as yesterday, not so much, maybe just 2 glasses. And as a reminder, what was in there? We had pineapple, uh, apples, pear, and limes. Yes, we had 4 things in there. Yes, we also had some smoothies today, and there we had strawberries and watermelon, and also half lime. No, not lime, lemon. Yes, there was lemon in there, and it was actually very nice. I like that one, nice, light. And I also ate some mandarins, maybe 4 or something, and 2 or 3 prunes. Now I can pronounce it better. Prunes. Yes, so that's what we had today, and I just drank some tea right now. Um, yes, so overall, I'm feeling okay, great. Not so, not yeah. In terms of just general feeling, I'm okay. Um, yeah, in terms of activities, I did a lot of trading today. A little bit too much, wasn't good. 99% of the time I followed my rules. One time I didn't follow my rules and I got burned, and very hard. So it's another hard lesson. I don't know what is happening with me this week. Like last week, everything was like perfect, and this week I'm just like not living up to my own rules sometimes. But yeah, it's all a learning curve, which can be painful sometimes because, yeah, sometimes you can beat yourself up like, hey, you're not living up to your own standards. So what's happening? So this is something that I'm working on. Um, but of course, yes, in terms of just how things are going generally, especially with the fasting, things are going great. Like I'm looking forward to Saturday or even to Sunday, when I'll start introducing solid foods back to my system. Yeah, because it has been a ride. It has been a ride, an interesting ride, because yeah, I've had many people reach out to me, like really um, just people who have been inspired, who people who have a different opinion. Like it has been very interesting. I've learned a lot just by doing this on my own as well. I think probably the last day I'm going to make the video a little bit longer and just give my personal lessons, like in terms of what I've learned during all this journey. It just depends on how I feel. um so yeah, I already have my plan actually for tomorrow, things that I need to do. One thing that I really realized today is like, hey, it is really important to, like, if possible, plan everything. Of course, it's not always possible to live up to all those plans, but if you plan everything, at least that gives you a direction of how to, like, navigate your day. And the days that I actually fail to plan, those are the days that I drift, like, massively. So yeah, and sometimes I have these revelations when I stumble upon something um, that doesn't go my way, like for example in terms of trading, that happened today. So yeah, I don't even know why I'm going that way, but I'm just gonna keep the video short, nice, short and sweet, guys. So with that being said, I'm gonna close up the video for today. So this was day I think 19. Yes, this was day 19 of the 21 days guys, have a great day, stay well. I'll see you tomorrow on day 20. Wow. It's almost time. I'll see you on day 20.